I can't breathe. Please leave my dick. I can't breathe shit.
Bu tüm dünyanın tanıdığı bir hikaye. Bir dönem milyonlarca insanın sokağa çıkıp adalet aramasına neden olan olay. Eminim ki birçoğunuz bu olayı hatırlayacaktır. Özellikle can çekişirken nefes alamıyorum deyişi hala hafızalardan silinmemiştir muhtemelen. George Floyd. Diğer bir deyişle nazik dev. 25 Mayıs 2020'de Minneapolis'te küçük bir marketin yaptığı 911 ihbarı tarihin akışını değiştirecek bir dizi olayı başlatmıştı. İhbarın nedeni $20'lık sahte bir banknottu. Ancak bu küçük ihbarın ardından gelen polis müdahalesi George Floyd'un hayatını kaybetmesine neden oldu. Floyd'un trajik ölümü ise sadece ABD'de değil, tüm dünyada büyük protestoların dalgalarını ateşledi ve toplumsal bir harekete dönüştü. Olay yerinde bulunanlar telefonlarıyla o anları kaydetmiş ve olay süresince polislere yaptıklarının yanlış olduğunu söyleyerek müdahale etmişlerdi. Ama tüm tepkilere rağmen polis memurlarından Derek Chauvin, George Floyd'un boynuna bastırdığı dizini 9 dakikaya yakın bir süre boyunca kaldırmamıştı. Hatta dizinin altındaki Floyd'un sesinin kesilmesine bile aldırış etmeden bastırmaya devam etmişti. Olay yerinde bulunanlardan birinin çektiği videoyu o gün sosyal platformlarda paylaşmasının ardından tepkiler çığ gibi büyüdü.
Bro, get up, get in the car, man.
I will.
Get up, get in the car.
I can't move.
I've been waiting the whole time, man. Get up, get in the car.
Mama.
Get up and get in the car right.
I can't.
They gave y'all the opportunity to get in, bro. You can't win.
My knee.
You can't
My neck.
win, man.
I'm through.
I know you in there, but you didn't listen.
That's the food. My stomach hurts. My neck hurts. Everything hurts. Get some water or something. Please. Please. I can't breathe.
Shut up.
They're gonna kill me. They're gonna kill me, man.
Bro, with your feet on his neck, man, you get out the
His nose is bleeding. Like,
Yeah,
come on now.
that's raw right there with his feet on his neck.
Look at his
You
nose.
can see your knee on his neck. Yeah, you got your feet right on his neck, bro. He ain't even
cannot breathe.
resisting the rest.
I cannot breathe.
You just a grown, you're a tough guy. You're a tough guy, huh? You're a bum for that, bro. You getting mad. You just sitting there stopping his breathing right
Look
now.
at
The
him.
dude about to
What
go
the
out
fuck?
right now, bro.
Look at
Bro.
him. Get off of him now.
What is wrong with y'all?
What the fuck? He got mace. He got mace. He cannot breathe. Get over here. No, first of all.
Bro, look, well, you can check on him. He's not responsive right now. He's not responsive
Look at him.
right now. He's not responsive right now. He's not responsive right now. He's not responsive right now, bro. No, bro, look at him. He's not responsive right now, bro.
Check for a pulse.
Bro, are you serious? You gonna just let him sit there with that on
Let
his
me
neck,
see a
bro?
pulse.
Is he breathing right now? Check his pulse.
Have this conversation.
Check his pulse. Check his pulse, Tao. Tao, check his pulse. Tao, check his pulse, bro.
Look at this dude.
Bro, check his pulse, bro. You bogus, bro.
Don't
do
You
drugs,
bogus.
guys.
Don't do drugs, bro. What is that? What do you think that is? You call what he doing okay?
Get back
You
on the
call what
street.
he doing okay? You call what you do. You call what he doing okay, bro?
Olayın hemen ertesi günü olay yerinde bulunan 4 polis meslekten ihraç edildi. Diziyle George Floyd'un boynuna bastırarak ölmesine sebebiyet veren polis memuru Derek Chauvin 22,5 yıl hapis cezası aldı. Polislerin vücut kamerası kayıtları olaydan yaklaşık 1 yıl sonra yayınlanmıştı. Araştırmalarım sırasında dikkatimi çeken yorumlardan birisi şöyleydi. Ölmeyi hak etmediği gibi bir aziz gibi muamele görmeyi de hak etmiyordu. Yorumların çoğunda dikkatimi çeken şey ise neredeyse herkes medya tarafından yanlış yönlendirildiğini söylüyordu. Yapılan protestoların gereksiz ve hatta yersiz olduğunu savunan insanlarla doluydu yorumlar.
Put your foot back in.
I'm so sorry. God dang, man. Man, I got shot the same way as I was before.
Okay, well, when I say let me see your hands, you put your fucking hands up.
I'm so sorry, Mr. Officer.
You got them?
Man, dang, man.
Put your hands on top of your head.
Man, Mr. Officer. Last time I got shot like that, Mr. Officer.
Hands on top of your head.
Yeah.
Hands on top of your head. Step out of the vehicle and step away from me, all right?
Sir, man.
Step out and face away. Step out and face away.
Okay, Mr. Officer, please don't shoot me. Please, man.
I'm not gonna shoot you. Step out and face away.
I'm gonna get out of eye, man. Please don't shoot me, man.
I'm not shooting you, man.
Please, man. I just lost my mom,
I'm
man.
taking one out. Step out and face away.
So sorry.
Step out and face away.
Please don't shoot me, Mr. Officer. Please. Don't shoot me, man.
Step out and
Please.
face away.
Can you not shoot me, man?
I'm not shooting you. Step out and face
Okay,
away.
okay, okay. Please. Please, please, man. Please, please. I didn't know, man. No,
Get out of the car.
I didn't know, Mr. Officer. I didn't know.
Fucking hands on your fucking hands right now.
Stop resisting, man.
I'm not.
Yes, you are.
I want to nothing wrong, man. Please, don't kill me.
Stand up.
Please, please, man.
Stand up
I
for me.
want to go back.
Stand up.
I want to go back, man. I ain't gonna do nothing wrong, man.
Come on, walk with me.
This is like
Walk
I
with
was
me.
looking
Walk with me.
at my feet, man. God damn, man.
Stand up.
Why you doing me like that?
Stand
man?
up.
God damn,
Come on.
man. I just want to talk to him.
We're trying to get out of the street here so you don't get hit by a car.
That's it, man. I was looking, man. But I ain't doing nothing wrong. That's all I was saying.
Take a seat. Sit down for me.
Thank you, man. Thank you, Mr.
Yep,
Officer.
sit down.
Thank you, man. God.
Sit all the way down.
Yes,
Flatten
sir.
your feet out.
Yes, sir. I will. Please, man. Please. Please, man.
You got an ID on you?
I got one at home.
All right, what's your name?
George.
George?
George Perry Floyd. I don't know what's going on. Man, that's it.
Spell it for me.
G-E-O-R-G-E.
Yep. Last name?
Floyd. Yeah, man. F-L-O-Y-D.
F-L-O-Y-D?
Yes.
Date of birth?
And last time I got Tim, October 14th,
October 14th?
73. Man, I got shot last time. Same way, man.
Hey, do you mind doing me a favor? Just run this
Nah,
guy
man. I was a,
for me. George Floyd. Thank you.
man, he was looking at Mr. Officer. I don't want no problem. I ain't gonna do nothing.
Man, do you know why we're here?
Why?
We're here because it sounds like you gave a fake bill to the individuals in there.
Yeah.
You understand that?
Yes.
And do you know why we pulled you out of the car? Because you was not listening to anything we told you.
Right. I didn't know what was going on.
You listened to us and we will tell you what's going on, all right? When you're moving around like that, that makes us think way more is going on than we need to know.
Right. And that's all I had was Officer was.
Gotcha, all right. We're going to put you in the back of a squad, all
So,
right?
can I talk to you?
Yeah, we're going to sort all this out, all right?
Please, man.
That's your car key?
It's my sister.
Key fob right there?
Yes, sir. Man, I got one problem.
Yeah, I'm going to hold on to that for you, all right? Stand up.
Please, man. All right. Can I give you? Because I was so messing with him. I was like right now. I'm like, what's going on?
Yeah, and look at you still able to reach your side. You're making me nervous.
That's why I was feeling. I was looking at my wrist. Look at it.
Yeah, I got you. We'll fix all that. We'll fix all that, but you got to walk with me.
Ouchie,
What
man.
are you on something right
I'm
now?
not, no, nothing.
Because you acting real erratic.
Man, I'm
go.
scared, man.
Let's go.
God,
You got
man.
foam around your mouth, too?
Yes. Yes, I was just moving earlier.
Let's go.
Man, all right, let me calm down now. It's feeling a little better now.
Keep walking.
Like, okay, stop. Do me one favor, man.
And we going to talk about that.
Let's
We'll get in the car.
Let's get in the car, man.
Stop moving around.
Man. Oh, man. God, don't leave me, man. Please, man, don't leave me, man.
Here.
I
wanna watch that car, too, so-
Yeah,
man.
just unlock the door for me.
I beat it thing.
Stand up. Stop falling down.
I'm claustrophobic, man.
Stand up.
I'm claustrophobic.
Stay on your feet and face the car door.
Man.
You get a search on him?
Please.
No.
Please.
yet.
Can I
Keep the
talk
door
to
open,
you,
keep
man?
the door open.
I just want to talk to you,
No.
man. Please, let me talk to you, please.
Man, you ain't listening to nothing we're saying, so we're not going to listen to nothing you're saying.
I'm claustrophobic.
Can you watch that car?
Face the
Just make sure no one goes in it.
I'm claustrophobic.
I hear you, but you are going to face this door right now.
Listen up. Stop.
I don't know anything. I don't know anything y'all tell me to do, man. I'm not a resistor, man. I'm not. You can ask him. They know me here
Check
now.
this side.
God, man, I won't do nothing like that, y'all. Why is it going on like this? Look at my wrist, Mr. Officer. I'm not that kind of guy.
Sit still.
Mr. Officer, I'm not that kind of guy.
Stop.
You please. I'm not that kind of guy, Mr. Officer. Please.
Face away.
Please, man. Don't leave me by myself, man. Please. I'm just claustrophobic. That's it.
Well, you're still going in the car.
Take a seat.
I'm going in, Mr. Officer. I'm going in.
No, you're not.
I gotta go in.
Take a seat.
Grab a seat, man.
Mind y'all don't believe me, Mr. Officer.
Take a seat.
I'm not that kind of guy. I'm not that kind of guy, man.
Take a seat.
Yo, I'm gonna die here.
Take a
I'm gonna
seat.
die, man.
You need to take a seat right now.
And I just had COVID, man. I don't want to go back to that.
Take a
Okay,
seat.
I'll roll the windows
No.
down. Hey, listen.
Dang, man.
Listen.
I'm not that kind of guy.
I'll roll the windows down
Please,
and you pull the
man.
legs in, all right? I'll
Y'all,
put the air on.
God, look at that. Look at
Look,
that.
you're not even
Look,
listening.
Look at it. Look at it.
We can fix this right now while you're standing out
Okay,
here.
man. God, y'all do me bad, man. He know it. He know it too, Mr. Officer. Y'all hear me? Don't do me like that, man.
Get in the
Please.
car.
Okay, can I talk to you, please?
Yes, you get in this car. We can talk.
I am claustrophobic.
I'm hearing you, but you're not working with me.
God, I'm claustrophobic, man.
Get in the
Come
car.
on over here. I'm going to pull you in.
Get in the
Can you
car.
get me in the front? Please.
No, you're not getting in the
I'm
front.
claustrophobic, Mr. Officer.
Get in the car.
Okay, man, okay. I'm not a bad guy, man.
Get in the car.
I'm not a bad guy. Man. I open my double. Please, officer. Please,
Sit.
please.
Take a seat.
Please, man. Please. No,
Take a seat.
I can't choke. I can't breathe, officer. Please. Please.
Fine.
My wrist, man. My wrist, man, please. I can't take that, man. I can't. I'm gonna lay on the ground. I'm gonna lay on the ground. I'm gonna lay on the ground.
Get in the squad.
I'm gonna lay on the ground. I'm gonna lay on the ground. I'm going down. I'm going down. I'm going down.
Get in the squad.
I'm going down. I'm going down. I'm not gonna breathe, man.
Bro, you gonna die a heart attack shit, man. Get in the car.
I know I can't breathe.
Get in the
I
car.
can't breathe. I just had COVID, man. I can't breathe. I
Take
can't
a seat.
breathe. Please, man. Please listen to me.
Do you want to
Please
jail?
listen to me.
He's under arrest right now for forgery.
I can't.
Can we figure out what's going on?
For what?
Take him out and just...
For what? Please, man. I can't fucking breathe.
Here, come on out.
Look at you. Thank you. Thank you.
Get him down the ground.
Yeah,
On the
just
ground.
get up the...
On the ground.
I appreciate that. I do.
All right.
You got your restraint. Hobble.
I can't breathe.
Okay.
I can't breathe.
Grab that.
Jesus Christ. I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
Thank you.
I can't breathe.
Stop moving.
Mama. Mama.
Yeah.
Mama.
Stay off.
Mama.
One of the front couches
Mama.
on my right side bag.
Mama. Mama.
EMS go to...
You're the rest guy.
All right. All right. Oh my God.
Now you go to
I
jail.
can't believe this. I can't believe this.
No firm.
Evet, George Floyd sütten çıkmış ak kaşık değildi elbette. Uyuşturucu madde kullanmak ve silahlı soygun suçlarından sabıkası vardı. Hatta olayın ardından yayımlanan resmi otopsi raporuna göre vücudunda uyuşturucu madde olduğu ve dolaylı yoldan ölümüne sebep olan şeyin bu olduğu yazılmıştı. Ama sebeplerin ne önemi var ki? Tüm dünyanın gözleri önünde vahşice öldürülen birisi varken medyanın taraflı ya da tarafsız olması ne derece önemli? Asıl soru şu: bir insanın geçmişi onun bu şekilde ölümünü meşrulaştırır mı? Yoksa bu hikaye bize polis şiddeti kadar medyanın seçici dilinin de toplumları nasıl yanlış yönlendirebileceğini mi gösteriyor? George Floyd'un ölümü adaletsizliğe karşı bir sembole dönüştü. Ancak bu sembolün arkasındaki gerçekler bize asıl hesap sormamız gereken sistemi hatırlatıyor. Yargılamadan önce dinlemeyi, ön yargılarımızın önüne gerçekleri koymayı. Çünkü adalet ancak tüm hikayeyi gerçekleriyle kabul ettiğimizde var olur.